Hello guys, in this tutorial I have implemented a face mask detection model using a CNN architecture. This model will detect your face with a mask or without mask. If the mask is on your face, then it will give a result mask, and if the mask is not on your face, then it will give the result no mask. I have split this project into two parts. First one is you can check with a single image. If you give an image of face to a model, then it will classify whether the person wear a mask or not. And the second option is when you run a program, then the camera will be open and model start classifying your face in a real time. Okay, so I have trained my face mask detection model on a data set, and after training I got above 96% training as well as validation accuracy. So before starting the project, please make sure you subscribe the channel and like the video. Okay, so first of all, import all the required libraries like keras, matplotlib, etc. These libraries are used to train our face mask detection model. Okay, then create two folders, train path and well path. Both folder contains the path of the dataset. Well, the train path contains the training path of the dataset, and well path contains the validation path of the dataset. After this, I create a plot image function. This function takes an image and display the image in the horizontal form. Okay, after this, perform the data augmentation on the training as well as validation dataset. The data augmentation creates different angle of images. Like if we have a normal image, then it will zoom the image, increase the shear range, horizontal or vertical flip, and etc. So it will be helpful for our model to get a better accuracy. Okay, so first of all, perform the data augmentation on the training dataset. Total images are 3649 for the training, belonging to the two classes. 0 stands for with mask, 1 stands for without mask. And also perform the data augmentation on the training data set. Validation data set. Total images are 806 belonging to the two classes. Okay, with mask or without mask. Then take a 5 images and pass to the plot image function, and you can see it display the 5 images horizontally. After this, after this, define the checkpoint. What will the checkpoint do? At the time of the model training, if we get a better accuracy than the previous epoch, so it will save the model. Then again, if we got a better accuracy, then again save a model with a better accuracy, and it continue. But if doesn't get a better accuracy, then it skips and check for the next epoch and continues. Okay, now define our own CNN architecture with input layer, different hidden layers, and a output layer. Okay, so as you can see here, we use a keras for creating a CNN architecture. Here is a con 2D layer with 32 filters. Kernel size is 3 and input shape is 200 cross 3, 200 cross 3. 3 is a channel. 3 channel. Red, blue, green. RGB. Okay. After this, I apply here max pooling 2D layer with pool size is equal to 2. Then again con 2D layer, then max pool 2D layer, then again con 2D layer, then again max pool 2D layer, then again con 2D layer, then again max pool 2D layer. After this, I used here a dropout layer. Dropout layer work as an regularization. Then use a flatten layer. Flatten layer converts the multi-dimensional image into a vector or 1D array. Then use a dense layer with 128 units and ReLU actuation function. Then again use a dropout layer. Then again use a dense layer. Then again use a dropout layer. Then this is our final output layer with 2 units because output will be 2. Okay. Then here I use a softmax function. You can also use here a sigmoid function. Sigmoid function basically used for a binary classification, and it is also a binary classification, but I use here softmax. You can also use sigmoid. Okay, then after this I compile a model with loss is equal to sparse categorical cross entropy, then check the summary of the model as you can see here. After this, now finally train the model with the training dataset and the validation dataset for a 50 epochs. Okay, now you can see here training is done for the 50 epochs. Okay, after this, now save the model with the name face underscore mask underscore detection underscore model dot py file. Okay, and after saving the model, I got a 96% accuracy for the training as well as validation. Now app.py. I create a app.py file. Firstly, import some important libraries like CV2, NumPy, Keras, and etc. Then load our model, trained model face mask detection model.hy file, and keep a 200 200 frame size. Then load a hard cascade classifier. It will help us to detect the face. Then create the object of the video capture class. Then here we use some parameters. Then use a while loop. Then here uh, here you can see model predict the image. Model predict if the camera will open, then it click the image and check whether the person wear a mask or not in a microsecond. Okay, after this if model returns the value 0, so it means person wear a mask. If it returns a 1, it means person doesn't wear a mask. Okay, so if you run this file, you just simply go to the command prompt and write python app.py. After write a command, your camera will be open and detect your faces like this. I am not running the file now, so you can see this. uh, your uh, your model detect your face like this, as you can see here. This type, this is for single classification, and this is a real time classification, real time detection, sorry. Okay, this type your model classify your face. So after this is for real time detection, and this is for single image detection, for a single image detection. Okay, and same here, import some libraries, load the model, frame size is 200 comma 200, and I load a image. I load a image face dash mask dash study dot jpg. This is a image. If you use a different image, so just give a path of the image here and load a hard cascade classifier. Use some parameters. If model returns a 0, it means user with mask, otherwise user without mask. Okay, simply uh, I can run this file. Okay, just simply run and you can see the result. No mask, no mask, mask, mask. Okay, this type. And simply click on the q button. Simply click a q for the exit. Okay, I gave a condition here. Where's condition, uh, where is condition? Okay, so just simply click on the q button for the exit. Okay, now after this our project will be completed. Okay, so if you need a source code and you want to understand the complete project again, so you can watch the video or you can follow my this blog. I upload here different project tutorials related to data science, deep learning, NLP, Python, Flask, Django. Okay, so you can follow this blog. I write a post here, face mark detection using the CNN. So you can follow this blog. Okay. So if you are interested in deep learning, machine learning, Python, Flask, Django, so you can follow my this blog. I upload here different project tutorials. Okay. So thank you guys. We will meet you in the next project. Thank you.